Oh, how did we get here? Oh, hey everybody! It is Brian XO. Welcome back to another video, and I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. I've been sick lately, but I'm back now. Today we're playing a game called Platform 8. So I guess it's kind of like Cabin Factory. Check out that video at the end if you haven't, to see what it's like. So, let's get up! So I guess we gotta spot anomalies, right? Please check electric sides. Okay, level 0, so we gotta look for anomalies, maybe? What could be bad, though? Okay, so here we go. Next, level 0. Is there, like, something with these posters? Like, what do we gotta look out for, guys? Oh, well, oh, wait, never mind. I thought I saw something move, but it's just because... I guess it was just out of the corner of my eye. Level 0 still. Okay, what are we supposed to be looking for here? Hello? Oh. Is there something specific we're supposed to be looking for? Oh! I heard someone hit on the windows. What window, though? Dude, I'm not seeing nothing right now. I don't understand any of this. If you guys do, let me know in the comments below. What does he do? Oh, he's looking at some phone, I guess. Alright, I don't think anything's wrong with this one, right? So we can... Hey! Hey, do you think you can record me? Hey! Hey, yeah, buddy! Hey! Yeah, you can just... Yeah, record me. You think you're funny, right? Yeah, very funny, buddy. Very funny. Stop recording me. How do I get out of here? What am I supposed to do? He's recording me and I don't like it. You're recording me without my permission. It won't let me go back. So am I supposed to just let him record me, I guess? Whoa, level 1! Whoa! What am I looking for? Yeah! Ah! Ah! Nothing, nothing! Nothing, not! Go! Level 2. So we just keep going forward, right? Is that what we're supposed to do? Okay. Level 2. What are we supposed to be looking for here? I can't believe that guy recorded me without my permission, dude. Hey! Oh my gosh! Get me out of here. Level 3. Okay, we did it. So we have to survive waves, it looks like. Of I don't know. So nothing in this one. Yo, bro. So I guess we gotta juke him? Hey! So we're supposed to just let him pass, right? Is that what we're supposed to do, is just let him pass? I don't know! I don't know what I'm supposed to do! don't come near me, please. Bye! No! Don't lock me in here! This is level 4 now. Do we gotta wait till we get to level 8? What are we doing here? I'm so confused. Hello? Oh no. Oh, what is that? You're like... Can't grab me. Bye. Bye. I got you. You can't grab me, boy. All right, what are we looking for now? Level 5. Is there some in particular we're supposed to get past? Is that headless guy look creepy, dude? What if I just don't look at him? Can I just... Excuse me, I'm just gonna slip right past you. Thank you very much. Oh, and he's just back in his seat. Wow, that's like that's normal. Alright, level 6. We're so close, yet so far. Okay. What's going on now? Anything? Rah! Get me out of here! Oh my gosh, that scared me! Hey! Oh no. Oh, stay away from him! Ow! Let me just squeeze right past you, Bethany. Let me just squeeze right past you. Oh! Excuse me. Oh gosh! Get me out of here! Yo! I think we did it! I think we did it! I think we did it! Woo! Woo! Oh no, level 8. How is this guy not reacting? Dude, hey. This looks too good to be true. I'm not gonna get off here. Something bad's gonna happen. Is this what I'm supposed to do? Because if I go in there, then I'm scared it's gonna put me back. This is like a fake anomaly, right? I don't trust this. Wouldn't we see, like, you know, wouldn't we, can we just go past this? No, level 8. I'm so scared if we go out there that I don't know if this is a trick or not. Is this your doing? Is this your doing, guy? Are you irresponsible for this? This is backrooms looking level. I mean, let's, oh, I mean, we could go out. Was this it? Oh, I guess that is the ending. Oh, well. I guess we beat Platform 8. That was a very confusing yet short, awesome horror game. and I'm glad you guys enjoyed. I'm glad I'm back. I'm not sick, and I know it's cold outside. There's like a winter front, so make sure to bundle up warm because it's very cold out there. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, what's going on here? Oh! Alright. Well, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and click this video on screen to see more awesome, scary videos that I have done in the past. So, without that, I will see you guys in that video. Bye-bye!